My name is Kiona Thompson. I'm from the Shuswap Indian Band. My mom's name is Jackie Joseph. My dad's name is Jason Thompson. I'm doing a cultural coordinator for my careers project, and I'm teaching my class how to make medicine pouches and dream catchers. So it should look like this, right? There's just a dangling part here, and you can decorate this with like beads or something. You can tie it off and everything so it stays together. A medicine pouch is a pouch that you hold medicine or other significant objects close so that it could be used, or you can carry it around to make you feel happy, or We put tobacco and sage in our medicine pouches usually for like when we go hunting or when we go pick berries and harvest stuff. It's just to give thanks, and it's an offering. It gives thanks to the Creator and in Mother Nature, so to years to come we can go back to the place and we have plentiful of stuff. The dream catcher is for when you go to sleep and you don't want bad dreams. It filters out the bad dreams and gives you good dreams. And it's important to me because it's part of my culture to learn and to teach and stuff. When we make a proper dream catcher, we try to make them out of natural objects, like natural beads and like the red willow. When we make the dream catchers, the same thing goes. Whatever you feel might transfer into the object that you're making. I wanted to tell stories behind each of them too, to help understand why we use these objects and what we use them for, and how they originated.